Hello, so welcome as I take you step by step on how to solve such an amazing Maths Olympiad question. So don't go away because I shall take you step by step. So let's now start with our solution. So on the solution, this one is the maths problem that you are having. So 5 to the power of a plus 1 is equals to 40. So we all know that when you have a to the power of m plus n, this one can also be written as a to the power of m multiplied by n. So in this case now we shall have now 5 to the power of a multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 is equals to 40. So the next one is to work out the number that we have. So 5 to the power of a shall remain to be 5 to the power of a, then multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 shall remain to be 5 is equals to 40. So now we shall divide both sides by 5. So here divide by 5. So this side also we shall divide by 5. So let's now cancel the ones that we are supposed to cancel. So we shall say that 5 by 5 shall cancel. So now we shall have 5 to the power of a is equals to 40 all over 5. So now how still do we find the value for a? Because we still see a is here. So the best thing that we shall do, we shall now introduce the log from both sides. So now we shall have the log of 5 to the power of a is equals to the log of 40 all over 5. So from here now we say that when you have the log of p to the power of m, so this one can also be written as m the log of p. So that is to say that now we shall have a log 5. So a log 5 is equals to the log of 40 all over 5. So from there now we say that when we have the log a all over the log b, so this one can also be written as the log a minus the log of b. So that is to mean that now we shall have a log 5. So a log 5 is equals to the log of 40 minus the log of 5. So next one we shall say that, so from here now we shall divide both sides by the log of 5. So here now divide by the log of 5, then also this side we shall also divide by the log of 5. So log 5 and log 5 shall cancel. So our value for a is equals to the log of 40, then minus the log of 5, then all over the log of 5. So now we shall now split this equation by saying that a is equals to the log of 40. So we shall divide both sides by the log of 5, then minus the log of 5 all over the log of 5. So the value for a here now shall be a is equals to, so we shall have the log of 40 all over the log of 5, then minus, so log 5 and log 5 shall cancel, so now we shall remain with 1. So let's now factorize log 40 all over log 5. So we shall say that a is equals to, so log 40 can also be written as the log of 8, the log of 8 multiplied by 5, then we shall put the bracket, then all over the log of 5, then minus 1. So when we have a, so when you say that we have the log of ab, so this one can also be written as the log of a plus again the log of b. So now that we have the log of 8 multiplied by 5, this one can also be written as a to be the log of 8 plus the log of 5 all over the log of 5 minus 1. So now we shall say that, so from here now we shall split this equation by saying that our value for a is equals to, so log 8 all over, so both sides shall be divided by log 5, then plus, so here now we shall have log 5 all over the log of 5, then minus 1. So a is equals to, so our value for a is equals to, so log 8 all over the log of 5, then here now plus, so log 5 and log 5 shall cancel, so now shall have 1 minus 1. So what is 1 minus 1? So this one now shall have nothing, that is 0. So a now shall be the log of, a shall be the log of 8 all over the log of our log of 5. So suppose we have something like the log of A all over the log of B. So this one can also be written as the log of A to the base of B. So meaning that our final answer shall now be equivalent to A shall be the log of 8 to the base of 5. So if you really loved how we've worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.